my channel. Today I'm testing out a new foundation and I'm super excited to share with you guys. This is the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. It's supposed to be a very glowy foundation. It's supposed to be medium coverage. It lasts 24 hours. They came out with 12 shades and I'm really excited to do a whole wear test it out, bring you guys in super close and show you how this foundation wears. I do have dry, normal skin and I do have an olive undertone. So if you're new, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. Also go follow me over on Instagram if you want to be a part of the live updates, the get ready with me, the swatches, the vlogs, and where I share like my life. Go check out my Instagram, go follow me there. We're starting this review a little bit late today because I woke up this morning with a call from my husband saying that he hurt his neck, we had to go to the urgent care. So that was interesting, so it's super late, but I'm gonna wear this for 12 hours at the very least, and we're gonna see how long it really does last. So I have 2 shades here. I have shade 40, which is a light medium warm, and shade 41, which is a light medium with neutral undertones. So we're gonna see which one fits me. I do have a shade list down below of foundations that match me if you're trying to match with me. And let's just get started. I'm gonna swatch this next to other foundations that match me so you can see the colors, and let's put it on the face.
Okay, so here we have the swatches. The first swatch is the Urban Decay in 40 light medium. That second swatch is the light medium 41. The third swatch is the NARS Soft Matte in Strombolia Medium 3. That fourth swatch is the Dior Backstage in 2WO. It is an olive shade. That fifth swatch is the Maybelline Fit Me in 220 Natural Beige. And the last swatch is the ColourPop Fresh Foundation in 80W.
Tatcha Silk Canvas on top of my skin. On this side of the face, I'm going to use a sponge. This is my Hip Dot sponge, and then on this side, I'll use my IT Cosmetics Love is a Foundation brush. I always get questions about this. This brush is actually limited edition. It only comes out every single October, so in October, you can pick it up. I'm going to put this on first. This is the 41. Look, I feel like this, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So let's just do it. It smells good. I can't tell if that's like a citrusy smell. Pretty, very luminous. So there's one half of my face done. Very glowy, gives me good coverage but feels very light. Yeah, I'm like a tad bit too light for this, which is so crazy to me, but whatever, it is how it is. Looks nice on both sides of the face. Hopefully it doesn't oxidize or anything. I wouldn't say it's smoothing. It's very skin-like. I wouldn't say it's smoothing though. Yeah, but it is very skin-like. So I'm gonna put on some concealer. I'm going to definitely set it because it does have a little bit of like some tackiness left over. I'll put the rest of my makeup on and then I'll show you how my foundation looks. But this is how it looks so far with just the foundation on and not setting it. Okay, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my makeup and I did set the foundation really well. And I also sprayed this side of the face and I didn't spray this side of the face. So let's bring you guys in really, really close and see how the foundation now looks on my skin. It looks actually really good. Once I put the powder on top, it really does look smooth and nice. My forehead looks a little dry like at the very top, but I love the side that's sprayed. I feel like when it happens with a lot of foundations, the spray just makes it look so good. And I like that it's like a medium coverage, something that's very lightweight. This is something that I think of would be like a tinted moisturizer with a little bit more coverage, just something lightweight and easy you can put on. But it does look good. It was worrying me because it was settling into my lines, but now that everything's set, it doesn't look too bad. It actually looks pretty good. So we're gonna see. Urban Decay has some high claims. They claim it's supposed to last 24 hours, look glowy, make your skin look more youthful, still be hydrated, so I shouldn't have dry patches, and smooth out your skin, so it shouldn't be sinking into any wrinkles or any like fine lines that I may have. So my expectation is up here because of how much they have said this foundation can do. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna check back with you guys in the 5-hour mark. I'll do a natural light test, I'll do a flash test, I'll check back at the very end of the night, and we'll see how the foundation lasts. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go follow me because that's where I do my live check-ins. So go say hi to me there, and I'll see you in a little bit.
So I'm in the car right now picking up my son, but this is the natural lighting. I can show you how the makeup's looking. Color doesn't look too bad now in natural lighting, but it transfers. I put this mask on. Can you see all that makeup? It just transfers right up. Like I just touch my nose and it just transfers. It's a bummer. Looks good so far.
So it's been 6 hours. I thought I'd bring you in really close so you can see for yourself how the foundation's wearing. It's actually wearing nicely, and the longer I wear it, the more it's sinking into the skin and looking very skin-like. I am impressed that it hasn't like dried up around my lines. Like I have this line here and these ones. It actually looks really nice. Like it's really pressed into the skin, and the skin is almost like soaking it up, and it's looking so skin-like. Now it does transfer, like it's pretty much been wiped off over here. It transferred on the mask really easily, so this is not one that's going to necessarily stay put through everything. That's my update for now. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll update you guys at the very end of the night. Okay, so it's been a couple of days in between this review, and I just really wanted to think about it and give you my full thoughts in their entirety. Oh, sick. Oh, I left this like Starbucks cup and there's like mold growing on it. And I'm pretty sure my son took a swig of that yesterday. Good thing he's not sick. Anyways, so this is what I have to say about this. This is nice for a light tinted moisturizer type of foundation. I don't think it lasts at all. When you guys saw, it transferred pretty easily, and even though it looked nice and skin-like, it didn't last. By the 6-hour mark, it was basically faded. By the end of the night, honestly, I mean, you guys tell me in the comment section, but to me, it looked like I had no foundation left on my face. It didn't look very good, in my opinion. I love how it looked. I love the coverage that it gave me. I was excited because I thought it would be like a tinted moisturizer that had more coverage, just like perfect for every day, for errand days, but it just didn't last. It didn't last. And if it doesn't last on my skin, it's probably not going to last on your skin. I don't have oily skin, so if you have oily skin, it probably just won't last on you. That is my biggest deal. 2, it didn't look flawless. It didn't have a flawless finish. Whenever foundations usually claim to have a flawless finish, it means it like kind of smooths over your pores. I could definitely see texture in pores. Like I said, it looked like my skin, my regular skin texture, just with more coverage. 2, I didn't really like the shade selections, if I'm being completely honest. The fact that I couldn't find a match for me, and I feel like I can pretty much find a match in almost every foundation, that has a natural beige. The fact that these 2 undertones were so different, the warm one and the neutral one were so different that I felt like, I don't know if you could tell on camera, but in person, I felt like it was such a difference. It was hard to find something that matched me. So I would probably go with the neutral one, the light medium 41. I'm guessing it matches me. I'm not a big fan of this foundation. Urban Decay is expensive, more than the drugstore, and I feel like if you're gonna get a foundation that lasts for about 6 hours, you can just might as well go to the drugstore and pick up one of their foundations. But it is nice. Maybe it'll work differently on you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it. I just feel like go buy yourself the NARS Soft Matte Foundation and you'll be way happier. That's all I'm saying. Is it good? Yes. Did it do everything it claimed? No. Those are kind of my thoughts. I don't hate Urban Decay or this foundation. So those are my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this review. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.